How to add and use Hilton Honor Points with Amazon. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add and use Hilton Honor Points with Amazon. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to add and use Hilton Honor Points with Amazon, you have to follow these steps. First, link your Hilton Honors account to your Amazon account. Then add eligible items to your cart and proceed to checkout and select Hilton Honors Point as your payment method. Then review and place your order. The points that are applied to your order will be deducted from your order total and displayed as rewards points in the order summary. If points are not applying to your order, click Change under Payment Method to use available points. And with your Hilton Honors points, you can buy millions of products at Amazon.com. At this time, you cannot use points for certain purchases at Amazon.com, including Amazon Kindle downloads, digital music, Amazon video titles, Amazon App Store apps, Amazon Fresh items, subscribe and save items, Prime memberships with the exception of Prime gift memberships, pre-order items, textbook rentals, Amazon allowance, or to reload your balance gift cards. Please note that currently you may not be able to use a one-click option to purchase products using your points. So that's how you can add and use Hilton Honor Points with Amazon. That's all for this video.